back.
Okay, guys. I'm going to show you guys the trouble we have to go... The troubles we have to go through in order to check on the kittens. Shh.
You're too fat.
Boy, I ain't fat. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can...
Farted.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Don't cuss.
There's a lot of cobwebs and I think they have eggs in them.
Okay. Can you move? Okay, here we go.
Can you move your little butt?
I can't get the flash on. Okay, I got the flash back on. So this is the struggle we have to go through to check on them.
Be quiet.
We are under the house right now. Oh my god.
And you guys are too dumb.
Okay.
See, you're too fat.
For the last time, I'm not fat. Here they are.
Under the house. Somebody help us. Help us.
Stop it.
Help us.
That's how far we have to go.
Look, baby Tilly. Over here.
Milani, you see him? Oh my gosh, my niece is coming under. These are the little ones.
You can do it.
We're under the house right now.
Duck down. Duck down, Mama. Mama. Yeah.
Don't encourage her to come under here. Oh, shoot.
Mama, if you want to see them, you have to come over here.
Did you just hiss at me?
Yep, he hit at me. Toss like the other kittens. Come on, Milani.
Oh my gosh, she got under here. Let's go. Ready, Mama? Kitties. Hey, little guys. Hey, little guys. Hey, Mama. Oh. Oh my... Patience! Don't do that! These are the little ones. They're getting bigger. What are you doing over there? I swear, you're just like your mom. Don't go sneaking around and popping up out of nowhere. Your mom used to do that. Little ones. You gonna go with them? Hey, Sia. I'm back under and they're nursing with mommy. Santiago, I can't bring them. They're eating.
So guys, be very quiet.
Over here trying to eat. Look what this kid's doing. Habanero's like, I'm gonna show off my stuff.
I'm sorry.
He's like, while you guys are busy eating, while you guys are busy eating, I'm just gonna fall asleep on my back.
His feet are twitching.
You know, when we got Geiki, I knew I was gonna be cleaning messes a lot more than I usually do. I cleaned my room yesterday. But this time, Geiki isn't the one that made the mess. My dad likes to eat peanuts. And my niece likes to eat them too. Here's where the problem lies. She had the container and she threw it on my bed and didn't know that it was half open. My floor is covered in peanuts. Wish me luck, I'm gonna clean again. Callie. Look at these adorable little mice. Habanero, what's wrong? You fell asleep with your eyes open? Callie. They're not fully used to us holding them because they spent so much time under the house. But they're getting used to it. On the bright side, they don't hiss at me anymore. Right, little ones? You are so cute. Habanero. Tapatio. Look at the camera. You're playing with your brother? Our two sauces are playing. We got our little Sprite over here looking like her Aunt Pepsi. Also, I discovered that Savage is gonna have kittens again. Yay! Look at these majestic little ones. This little one's deciding to be a little brave. Tapatio's over there asleep. Sia's over here looking around. Callie is staring directly at me. Sprite is doing her thing. And Habanero is over here being petted. Oh, did you fall? Oh, did you fall? I swear, they are so cute at this age. Hey, Callie. Hey, baby girl. They're finally moving. They're at their cutest. Over here, someone over here is dreaming about milk. He's dreaming about milk. He's dreaming about milk. Looks like somebody reacted to the sound of my voice. And this one's stuck. Hey, kids. They no longer hiss at us. They are now used to some of us. Not all of us. Say hi to the camera, Callie. What about you, Habanero? No words can describe how cute you guys are. Callie. Tapatio. Sprite. See ya! You're playing with your brother? Say hi to the camera, kiddos. They woke up just because I started talking. I love them.